Here's an introduction to Screencast-O-Matic's scripted recording feature. Scripts are a great way to create videos with narration or VO. It keeps your video organized in a thought-out process, and you'll be able to effectively deliver key points in videos, such as lessons, demos, and much more. Let's get started with scripted recordings. Click the Scripted button. Type in a title of your script here. You'll need to break up your script into sections. You can record audio for each section. Type in the sentence or script. Continue on and add a section by hitting the Enter key or clicking Add Section. You can rearrange sections by clicking here on the section number box or typing in a new number. Click the top section to start recording your audio. It will be highlighted in gray. Make sure you choose the correct microphone by clicking this microphone button. Hit the Record button when you're ready to go. You'll notice the first section will turn red. Start talking when it turns green. When you're done with the section, click the Next button or press the right arrow key to continue on to the next section. If you need to re-record, just hit Redo or the Delete key. After each audio recording, you will notice how long each section is by looking here on the right. Take into account spots that may take up time. Let's show you an example of this using a search. As you can see here, when you type in a query, you'll need to wait for the results. This takes time, and you'll notice our scripted audio ends before the results appear. The recorder will automatically add silence at the end of the section until we move to the next section. You can click here to see options. You can either delete the section, remove audio, or if you have an audio file, you can import audio. Play back the audio using these controls at the bottom. Need to undo, redo, or go back? Those controls are at the top. Anytime you make changes to your script or audio, those changes are automatically saved. To make it easier to record, you may need to create multiple sections to break up the recording. If you want to record a screen as one section, then you may want to combine sections before recording the video. Let's show you how to do this. Let's combine two audio sections. Click the start of the text in the second section and click the backspace key. Click Yes, and it will combine the text and audio from both sections. To undo, press the Undo button. Once you're done with your audio, you can start recording video.